Hey there, so I'm making this video for you. If you have the Echo Show 5 and the virtual keyboard is not working, this is something I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to help you. So he just wrote here that I gave it back and they sent a new one, but someone wrote it here. Echo Show 5 launching firmware was outdated. Good news, this worked for me. Unplug the Echo Show 5 from the power source, press and hold the volume down and the microphone on and off buttons. While continuing to press and hold these buttons down, reconnect the power source to the Echo Show 5. And before releasing the buttons, wait 30 seconds for Echo Show 5 to factory reset. You will see 3 dots appear on the display when this happens. The language selection screen will then appear on Echo Show 5 and you can continue the device setup. I choose the Echo Show 5 with the Spanish Mexico during setup, but it should not be mandatory to resolve the issue. So I just want to make this quick and effective video for you. I hope it provided you value. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.